filming.
Track main 1, B34, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 452, detector out.
Here we go. C1 number 98369. The date is 081315. Location is QC 404. CD train K14412. The BNSF 5304, employee T.M. Vandermay. Circle line 5A, do not exceed the following speed, 25 mph. On number 1 track, between milepost QC 392.4 and milepost QC 392.5. Signs are yes. Over.
Roger, EC1 number 98369, date 08/13/2015, location QC 404, CD train ID K14412, engine BNSF 5304, employee T.M. Vandermay, copy. Circle line 5A, do not exceed the following speed, 25 miles per hour on number 1 track between milepost QC 392.4 and milepost QC 392.5. Signs yes.
Roger, okay, and effective at 1553. That's 1553 hours. Dispatcher DMH. Over.
Roger, okay, and effective at 1553, 1553 hours. Dispatcher DMH.
That's a Raj, thanks. Here we go.
Roger, here we go.